Welcome to a journey of transformation through the harnessing your inner drive for success. These affirmations hold the incredible power to reshape our mindset and reality. By embracing these words daily, we can create new paths in our minds, fostering lasting positive changes. Incorporate this practice into your routine for 21 days and witness the evolution. Let's begin by centering ourselves. Breathe deeply, allowing relaxation to envelop your body. Acknowledge your worthiness of love, joy, and success that the universe presents. I wake up each morning ready to conquer my goals. Success flows effortlessly into my life. I am a magnet for opportunity and achievement. My determination knows no bounds. Today, I seize every chance to succeed. I radiate confidence and competence. I am the architect of my own success story. Success is my natural birthright. I attract abundance and prosperity daily. My inner drive fuels my path to success. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of greatness. Every morning is a fresh start to success. I embrace challenges as stepping stones to victory. I am worthy of all the success that comes my way. Success is woven into the fabric of my being. I greet each day with enthusiasm and purpose. I am open to new opportunities for success. I thrive under pressure and emerge victorious. Success is my constant companion. I attract the support and resources I need. Every morning, I wake up ready to achieve my dreams. Success flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am in control of my destiny. My inner drive propels me towards my goals. I am a magnet for prosperity and achievement. I approach each day with a winning mindset. I am unstoppable in the pursuit of my dreams. Success is my daily reality. I deserve the success that comes my way. I am committed to my path of success. I attract success like a magnet. Every day is an opportunity for greatness. I embrace challenges as stepping stones to triumph. I am worthy of all the success I desire. Success is my birthright, and I claim it. I am filled with the energy of achievement. Each morning, I awaken to new possibilities. I attract abundance in all aspects of my life. Success follows me wherever I go. I am a beacon of success and inspiration. I start each day with a winning attitude. I am a master of my destiny. My inner drive guides me to success. I welcome success with open arms. I am destined for greatness. I attract opportunities that lead to success. Every morning, I am one step closer to my dreams. Success is my constant companion on this journey. I embrace success as a part of my identity. I am unstoppable, and success is my destiny. Repeat these affirmations daily and embrace the transformation they bring. Own your power to shape reality and stride boldly toward dreams.